I invite you to take a deep breath with me now as we move into the daily word and meditation. The daily word for today is, I find my power in this very moment. The word now. There is power in this very moment. Yesterday is past and tomorrow is not here yet. There is only this moment, ripe with promise and potential, ready for me to live into it fully. Through my many gifts, everything I need to get started is within me. I need not wait for the perfect moment to arrive, because there is no time more perfect than now, and no place more perfect than here. Breathe into that together. I need not wait for the perfect moment to arrive. Here it is now. Procrastination has no place in my life. That is a statement, that is an affirmation, that is a prayer. I fritter away my energy when I find reasons not to get started, losing my zeal and focus and inviting frustration into my life. Today, I claim the power of the present and say, this is the day I begin. Together, this is the day I begin. Now is the time to begin to serve, to forgive, to create, and to love. And from 2 Corinthians 6:2, see, now is the acceptable time. See, now is the day of salvation. So let's bring that into our meditation practice as we take a deep breath in together. And we exhale, allowing our full body to relax, allowing ourselves to find our groundedness, ourselves rooted here and now. We bring all of our attention and our intention to this present moment. There is no place to go, no thing to do. Here I am. That idea that my salvation is now means that my emancipation is now. My freedom is now. So I am aware of anything that may seem to be binding me or limiting me. And I simply say, peace, be still. Peace, be still right here and right now. I am free, I am whole, I am holy. Peace, be still. Taking 3 deep breaths into the silence. Inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling and exhaling. Lengthening the inhale, lengthening the exhale. We draw the crown of the head high, the shoulders relax. Here we are, right here, right now, willing, open, receptive to the pure presence of spirit. The light that flows in us, to us, through us, and as us in this moment. This light that illuminates every cell, every tissue, every tendon, every muscle of this body temple. We breathe into this wholeness as we breathe into the sacred silence. Gently, we bring our attention back to this time and space, this now moment, allowing ourselves to experience the gratitude of peace, peace in our hearts, peace in our minds, peace in our bodies. So we move our attention to the heart center as if inhaling and exhaling through the heart itself. Focusing on gratitude. Inhaling and exhaling through the gratitude of the heart. And dedicating this practice to the well-being of the world. To anyone who is on your mind today who may benefit from a moment of peace and blessing. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know that we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. Namaste.